They know my story.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I seal the ends when I'm applying the beads without having to use rubber bands. I've actually always been using rubber bands, but for some reason yesterday something just came in my mind. I don't know if you guys have seen it before, but it just came in my mind and I was thinking I was gonna try it, and hopefully I'll be hearing from my client to hear some feedback to see what she thinks. So first I'm using that beads applicator. As you see, I put the beads, on like inside it, and then I am going to try to get my beads inside my braids. And then when I am done doing that, I'm just gonna start wrapping it. I'm gonna take up like 2 beads up and then start wrapping it with the first beads. Just start wrapping it. First I have to measure to see that okay, we're on the same length as every other braids and beads, so we don't want to be too long or too short. And then while I am done wrapping, instead of using my rubber band, I am going to be using the lighter, just to make sure that the braids kind of melt together. In that way we don't have anything unraveling, things of that sort. So I'm going to wrap carefully, make sure that it's nicely wrapped, and then I'm going to take my lighter and try to burn it. And as I burn, I'm going to try to make sure that it's very strong, it's firm, and it's actually like melting. And when I feel like I'm good to go, I can feel it, and I can also see it. Then I'm going to pull the rest of the beads, and then there you have it. And I would try to act like I want to like take it out with force, and it doesn't really come off. So that just gave me the confidence. Though I told my client to let me know how things goes with this new process of applying the beads. And if she let me know within like maybe a week, 2 weeks, then maybe I might start just doing that, because to me, it's just easier and just feels like much safer for me. But again, if you want to use the rubber band, that is also an option. So sometimes when I try to burn it and it's not really burning what I want it to burn, I will still burn it, but I will still use my rubber band just to give it like the extra firmness, basically. And you see right now I'm just wrapping it, and I'm going to go back and wrap it as well. And I would say maybe I should have done both to be extra safe, but I was just like, okay, usually I use rubber band. But if the lighter works better, then of course I'm just gonna switch to the lighter, because doing this rubber band makes my finger like hurts. I don't know. It just makes my finger feel like so tight, and it just hurts. So I try to avoid not using it as much as I used to. But yes, guys, that's all. If that was helpful, let me know. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you find it very, very helpful. And I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. And yes, we did use about 3 colors of beads. And then at some point we didn't have enough beads, but it still looked nice. It still worked. And she actually does love it so much. Okay, guys, bye.
They know my story. For more